Assalamualaikum, good evening. Assalamualaikum, good evening. Happy New Year to all. Good evening. Assalamualaikum. Hi, Assalamualaikum Mahmoud. Good evening. Happy New Year to all. Good evening in the Philippines. Happy New Year to all. MashaAllah. Ganda gabi, Madam Bots. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Alfonso. Alfonso. Thank you. Yung pumasok na pila kababayan ko. Akhbar. Assalamualaikum Akhbar. Kefek. Happy New Year to all. Okay? Mahmoud, Happy New Year to all my followers and viewers. MashaAllah. Kagigising ko lang. Ang sarap ang tulog ko. Hi, Maksun Hasan. Hi, nice. Assalamualaikum, Husan. Jawar, كيفك كله تمام كويس؟ أخبار؟ Good evening. Good evening. Happy New Year ala Babu Naka. I'm Pakistan boy, MashaAllah Abu Bakar. كيفك؟ Alhamdulillah. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Love you baby, love you kullu Odin, kullu happy patu, MashaAllah. Happy New Year to all, okay? I just read your message kasi po, kagigising ko lang, MashaAllah, yung gamot na binili ni Mr. Ang sarap ng tulog ko sa, tawag doon, yung medicine na yun. Muhammad, MashaAllah, marhaba. Kaya kullu damam Muhammad, kullu damam ang Pakistan boy, MashaAllah. Mahmoud, hello. Happy New Year, shout out Ma'am Jan Suraida. Happy New Year, Habibi. Happy New Year to all. Assalamualaikum, Janul. Assalamualaikum, Shaikh. MashaAllah. You're beautiful, nice. Thank you, Husan. Hi everyone, how are you? Assalamualaikum, Masun. Alaikum salam, Masun. Happy New Year to all. Rashida, hello ma'am. Welcome, Rashida. Ang bilis po ang very fast the comment. I want to answer but very fast the comment, okay? Yes, baby. Dance with Morena, love you. Big like you, sexy good. Samir, thank you, Sukran. Abu Bakar, Kefek. Ahmad, Assalamualaikum. Why you cry? Happy New Year. Don't cry because New Year's you cry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respectable Madam Mahmoud. Thank you, Mahmoud. Muhammad Sukran. I'm from Bangladesh, MashaAllah. Assalamualaikum. Happy New Year to all, MashaAllah. Beautiful, I like you, I love you. I love you too. Kullu hibig patu, MashaAllah. How are you? Fine, Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum, India. Ma Fatima Pipil. Hi Pipil Salman. Assalamualaikum salam. Abu Bakar. Baby sexy, love you, like you, sexy. Beautiful, Sukran, Hussein. Respectable Madam. Thank you so much. Almost my followers is Pakistani, India. Yung pumasok sa live ko, MashaAllah. Nabibilang po yung mga Pilipino kasi tulog sa Pilipinas po. Friends, Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam. Okay. I just wake up, okay? Kasi nag-New Year po kami sa labas ni Mr. At saka I took medicine, very nice medicine to sleeping. MashaAllah, alamas, friends, MashaAllah. To say thank you, love you, Sultan. Kulihibik pa to, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you so much. Yung pumasok sa live ko, thank you so much to all of you. Thank you for the stars, 100 stars. Thank you, Assalam. Who's that? Nagbigay ng star. Thank you so much for the star, Habibi. I'm from Oman. Assalamualaikum. Happy New Year to all. Bora Khan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Adha India, mashallah. We have too much India here. And Happy New Year. Babiyan. I'm so sorry, very fast the comment. I cannot. Hi dinner. Bangladesh MD Abdul. Assalamualaikum. Fatima, Asama friends. Thank you po yung pumasok sa live ko. Thank you so much. We love you all. Good job. Moy, I love you all. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I'm very happy because I got more millions in TikTok also, okay? Thank you for Faisal, thank you for Idiyat, thank you for the stars, 100 stars, thank you so much for the star in Idiyat. Okay, I will see your profile inshallah. Thank you so much Adiyat for the stars, okay? Munsarud, Assalamualaikum. Muhammad Ramsa, mashallah, love you too. Fatima, where are you from? Ana hina Jeddah. I'm here in Jeddah. My husband Saudi, okay? And I love you so much, mashallah. We love you all. We love you all. I just wake up because I took medicines, very nice medicine. Just I wake up 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Now it's 7 o'clock here. PM. I just wake up. Voila. A beautiful Happy New Year. Thank you, Paisal Idaya. Sukran katir Habibi. MashaAllah. You give me Adiya gift for 300. Happy New Year, Adiya. Thank you so much, Adiya. Okay, the 300 stars. They give me 300 stars today. Thank you, Sukran Habibi, Sukran Katir. Your figure great. Ana mafi dubat. Now I'm dubat. Assalamualaikum sa Navas, Saudi Arab province. MashaAllah. Ana hina Jeddah Habibi, Jeddah. Best friends India, Gujarat. MashaAllah. And Kuman, Assalamualaikum. Happy New Year to all, William. We love you. Okay. Kulihibik pa to, mashallah. Mashallah. Thank you yung pumasok sa live ko po. Mamaya na ako mag-reply sa inyong lahat, okay? Assalamualaikum. Mashallah. Learn to be, show your, show that. I cannot read that. It's like a bad. Happy New Year to all. Be positive po. Positive lang tayo po, okay? So sweet. Thank you so much. Do two things look great. Thank you so much to all of you. I'm from the Ethiopian. Thank you. This is 500. MashaAllah. This is, you give me 800. Oh, MashaAllah, Adiya. Sukran katir. 500 stars again. MashaAllah. Where you came from? Okay, you are Saudi or what? I have followers in TikTok, okay? I will tell you this. If you want to see my TikTok, I'm a big TikTokers also in here in Jeddah. I got more endorsement in here in my TikTok, okay? I'm not famous here. I'm not. I am new and rails, okay? If you want to see my TikTok, you can go to my TikTok. My name is Fatum. Arabic words. Fatum. You can search Fatum Arabic words, okay? We have more Fatum, but you can see my face. I have more millions in TikTok, okay? Thank you, Adiya, for the 800 stars. Thank you so much. Hi, nice day, my friend. I love you too. Okay? Now, thank you po. Thank you po yung pumasok sa... Are you married? Yes, I'm married Saudi. My husband Saudi, okay? I'm married almost 10 years and 7 months with my husband Al-Gambi. Okay, I don't want to lie here because I will, marami pong nag-inbox sa akin. More people, they inbox me to marry me, but I'm not. I'm not single, I'm a married woman. Okay, assalamualaikum, alaikum salam, good night. Good night, Salim. Sanabas, Sukran, Sanabas, Por. Sanabas, thank you so much. How are you? Fine, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Kasi pupunta ako sa TikTok din, magla-live ako sa TikTok. And after that, I will reply to all my followers and viewers. Thank you so much. We love you all. Happy New Year. Be positive, be humble, okay? Akong taong hindi mayabang po, humble. Kahit medyo po lumaki ang followers ko, I never down to the earth pa rin din ako, even in the TikTok po. You're looking live video. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Thank you for Adia to give me a guest. Sukran katir Habibi, sukran katir. Our Saudi CN. Ana hina Jeddah. كيفك كله تمام كويس ما شاء الله في سعودي. Cute, I'm not cute ما شاء الله. Marwan, I'm from Egypt ما شاء الله. كيفك Marwan? Where in the Egypt? Where is in Egypt? Alexandria, Cairo. Beautiful looking. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bahut cute. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm going out. Where are you from? Jeddah. Ana hina Jeddah. Salim. Akil. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Beautiful, cute. MashaAllah. She's closer. I could see him better. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm very busy. I'm not going to reply. I'm so sorry if I didn't reply because I cannot reply all of you because too much, okay? I don't want to restrict always to mates, okay? They have too much. I have more followers. I cannot all replying because if I replying all, I always restrict these reels. That's why little by little and sway. Yalla. I'm so sorry I cannot give my numbers. Wallahi, too much people, they want my numbers. They want to see me. Wallah, katir hina. Kalam, fatum, ana sub inti. Ana sub inti, ana jib adia inti. Inta, mashallah TikTok. Ana, inti, kabir TikTok. When I go to mall, sometimes I cover my eyes because sometimes Arab people, they knows me in TikTok, okay? And sometimes they knows me say inti fatum, but I always cover my face. But nasanay po ako mag-Arabic kasi gustuin ko pa, I want to speak in Arabic, okay? Because my husband told me you should speak Arabic. But ana kalam sway Arabic, but alhamdulillah, I always kalam sway Arabic. But inshallah I will kaya ko lahat ang Arabic, inshallah. Okay, your English is very well. Thank you so much, Emias. Yes. because almost Filipino people, they know how to speak English, okay? They spoke many languages. Me, I can't spoke what's this? Spanish, because when I was in college, I have Spanish like hola mi cómo estás, estoy bien gracias otra vez. This is Spanish words, okay? But alhamdulillah, thank you so much. I love this language of Arabic. Yeah, if you want my TikTok, you can go to my TikTok Fatum. Okay, you can see all my videos in my TikTok, because in TikTok Ana Sway Kabir. Okay, Sway Kabir. Almost people they loves me and almost people they hate me. Okay, you can go if you want to see my videos. Katir, I have more Katir in TikTok. Okay, we love you all. Pa-shout out Subaya Sambutuan. Tell hello po Subaya. Okay, I will close my live today because I want to go outside. After that, magre-reply ako sa inyong lahat, inshallah. Thank you so much. We love you guys. We love you. Masalama.